Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to repair your pressure washer hose that has either been cracked or damaged. So the things that you need to get this fixed is pliers, WD-40 for lubrication, a screwdriver, 2 hose clamps which will cost you around say 10 rupees each, and a small copper pipe which is usually used for air conditioning. So you need to check the size of this depending on the size of your pipe. So I'm using a thicker one as this is a snug fit for my pipe. So what I did is I cut this pipe in a shorter length that would serve my purpose, and then I angle grinded, or you can sand the edges. So what the sanding does is it helps you make a proper grip here this way. So let me show you how it goes. So as you can see, I've got my pipe. This is from where my pipe got cracked, and then I just took a blade or a sharp knife, and you can cut the pipe to make it even. So this is one end, and this is the other end of my pipe. So now what we need to do is we need to insert this in here. You can use lubrication, or you can use a little bit of pressure if you need. So as you can see, I've already got the copper pipe almost an inch inside into my pressure hose. Now what we need to do is insert the other end of the hose. This is a bit tricky and difficult part, but you need to manage to get the piece of the copper pipe inside. You can use a WD-40 as it makes your job easier. This is how your pipe should look after you've inserted the copper pipe. Notice how I've kept 1 inch or more for the hose clamp to snugly fit in. So now we need to insert the other end. You can use maybe Vaseline or WD-40 and then give it a tight nudge to get it all the way inside. Now what I'm going to do is spray in a little bit of WD-40 in this hose so that I can get the end piece of my brass pipe easily into it. So once you've got everything in place, your joint should look like this. And now we place these hose clamps tightly on this end and one on the other end. So we are all done. We've clamped up and we are ready to go. This is how your repaired hose clamp pipe should look like. From 2 pieces to 1 whole piece. The repair cost less than 40 rupees. Cost of new hose approximately 2000 rupees. Thank you guys for watching. It's been a beautiful day, beautiful climate, beautiful weather. Keep liking.